In this tutorial, we will show you how to merge pages from PandaDoc using PDF.co and Zapier. Here is the sample proposal document with pages that we will merge. First, click on Create Zap button to make a Zap. Next, select the PandaDoc app for the app event. Then, choose the document completed for the trigger event. Now, it's time to set up your document completed configuration. In the source field, select the source of the pages to merge. In the template field, input the exact template file of the completed documents. Next, you will click the test trigger to make sure the document is properly set up. Now, let's add another app event and select the PDF.co app. Under the PDF.co app, select the PDF Merger module to merge multiple documents into one new single PDF. Now, let's set up the PDF Merger configuration. In the list of a link to source PDF field, enter the PDF, exist but not shown, to input the pages link from the PandaDoc. For the Auto Convert Non-PDF Files field, set to True to enable PDF Auto Convert. For the Name field, enter your source output file name. Let's send our configuration to PDF.co to make sure there are no errors in the setup. Excellent. The PDF.co test was successful. You can copy and paste the URL to view the result. Here's the PandaDoc document that we merged into a single PDF. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.